Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving the first problem of weekly contest 466. Let's get started. So you are given an integer array nums of length n. In one operation, what we can do? Choose any subarray nums L to R left to right, where left would be in this range, and replace each element in that subarray with the bitwise end of all elements. Now, return the minimum number of operations required to make all elements of nums equal. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, that's all we have given. Now input is, let's say, 1, 2, so output is 1. How output is 1? So we have selected all elements. We have performed AND operation of all elements and we got 0 here. Okay, fine. So array becomes 0, 0 and all elements are equal in one operation. Superb. Second thing is we have been given all elements equal. So we don't need to perform any operation. Our output is 0. So guys, to solve this problem, I would suggest read this problem statement again and again unless you get a single line answer in your mind. So what I'm saying is let's read the problem. Read the minimum number of operations required to make all elements of nums equal. What we need to do? We need to make all elements same. We need to make all elements same. And in one operation, what I can do, like what is the operation, what is the thing that I can perform, what is allowed to me. The first thing, just make sure in mind that we have to make all elements equal. Okay, keep this in mind. Now, in one operation, what I can do, choose any subarray, any index I can choose from left to right, I can choose anything and replace each element in that subarray with the bitwise end of all elements. Okay, so what I am doing here is basically in case my all elements are equal, then do I need to perform any operation? No, I don't need to. But in case my elements are different, what I can perform? I can perform this operation. What is the operation? Operation is choose any index from 0 to n. I can choose any index and replace all elements. I can replace all elements with bitwise end of all numbers. So just to explain you again, let's say I have been given some elements like this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first of all, I will check are there all elements equal? No, there are no elements equal. So I can definitely eliminate this case. This case, what is this case? If all elements are equal, my answer would be 0. This thing I am very sure, right? Otherwise, if this is not the thing, then I can perform the operation. What I can perform? I can choose any index, I to j, I can choose any index. I can perform the bitwise AND operator, and whatever that is, I can replace that number with the bitwise AND. So why I will select a subarray? Why don't I can select a whole array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say our array is this. I will select whole array. I will select the whole array, whatever it's bitwise, and let's say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. If let's say this is x, I can replace all elements with x, right? And what I need to return? I need to return the minimum number of operations. So in any case, my answer would be only 1. If this is the case, my answer would be 0. Otherwise, my answer would be 1. So, well, like hint was solved to solve this problem was just to read this problem again and again, again and again, unless you get a single line answer. So let's try to see. So I will write something inbuilt function. If nums dot count, what I am counting, nums of 0 equal to length of nums. What I'm doing, I'm checking whether the first frequency of first element is equal to all frequencies. I mean, first element is present at every index. If the count of this first element is equal to length of this array, that means all elements are equal. I can definitely return 0 in that case. Otherwise, I can return 1. Simple. Let's try to submit this. Okay, it is working fine. Let's try to submit now. It is working fine. So I hope you got it, and in case you have any doubt, just let me know in comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to us, what you are waiting for, please subscribe and Let's meet in the second question. So thank you very much, and we'll meet in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and